Hello friends, welcome back to Microsoft Access tutorial 9. In this video I'll talk about how to link files in Access. So let's get into the practical stuff. So there are two sample files here, one is CSV and the other one is XLS. I'll link both of file one by one. So first what I need to do, here I'll have to click on external and then new data source, and then from file I'll have to select Excel file. After that I'll have to click on browse and I have to locate that folder. I've already located that folder. The folder is here. I select the file and then what I want. There are three options. One is import data, second is to append, and the third is to link data source by creating a link table. So I'll select that and then click on OK. After that, if your data contains header, so you'll have to select it. If your data does not contain header, so you can check it off. But in my case, it contains header. You can see that. So I'll click OK, and then I'll click finish. Once I click finish, so there will be a pop-up. I'll have to click on OK, and then here you can see my file. As I can create query out of that, and I can make a table out of that. So let me show you how we can connect CSV file. So now I'll link CSV file. So what I'll do, I'll have to click on new data source from file, and instead of Excel I'll select text file, right? And then I'll locate that CSV file and then click on link to the data source by creating a link table again. So there are two options. I'll keep the first one and then click on next. And since my data contains header, so I'll go ahead and check that header. I'll click on advanced because I have to change higher date format. So I click on higher date format, and here instead of DMY, I'll select MDY, American format, right? So then I'll click on OK and next, and finish, and then OK. So now you can see this is Excel link file and this is CSV link file, and you can see higher date as well. It's coming fine. So now these two files are connected with these data. Now I can use them as a query. So I can make them part of my query. So in next video, I'll create query out of these two files, these two linked files. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.